A healthy heart rate is more than a number, it's your passport to a vibrant, energetic life. Welcome to a journey designed to not only boost your heart rate, but to also enhance your overall fitness. Here's a step-by-step guide to exercises that will help you achieve this goal. First up is the classic jumping jacks. Stand straight, then jump with your feet apart while swinging your arms above your head. Jump back to the initial position and repeat. This exercise requires no equipment and offers a full-body workout, increasing your heart rate and improving cardiovascular fitness. Moving on to the next exercise, the mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position. Draw one knee into your chest, then quickly switch and pull the other knee in. Keep your hips down and run your knees in as far and as fast as you can. This exercise is a powerful cardio move that also strengthens the core. Our third exercise is the burpees. From a standing position, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, lower your chest to the floor, push up into a plank, jump your feet in, and leap up as high as you can. Burpees are a high-intensity exercise that elevates your heart rate quickly and provides a full-body workout. Next is the kettlebell swings. Stand up straight, holding a kettlebell in front of you with both hands. Bend at your hips, swing the kettlebell back between your legs, and then thrust your hips forward as you swing the kettlebell up to chest level. This exercise combines cardio and strength training, giving your heart and muscles a great workout. Finally, we have high knees. Stand straight, lift up your left knee to your chest, and then quickly bring it back to the ground. Follow immediately by lifting your right knee to your chest. Continue the motion, alternating legs and moving at a sprinting or running pace. High knees are an excellent cardio exercise, and they also work your core. To summarize, today we've explored 5 exercises: jumping jacks, mountain climbers, burpees, kettlebell swings, and high knees. Each one of these exercises is designed to increase your heart rate, improve your cardiovascular fitness, and strengthen different muscle groups. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can lead to a healthier heart and overall improved fitness. Remember, a healthy heart is the cornerstone of a healthy life, so keep pushing, keep moving, and keep that heart rate up. You've got this.